Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. Once you make your Instagram account private, only your subscribers will be able to see your profile information and can see your photos, your posts and your stories. To close your account, follow my steps. Open Instagram, go to your profile, go to settings, go to privacy, go to account privacy and choose private account. And that's all friends, now your Instagram account is private. I suggest right now subscribe my channel and put thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video, please like and share this video and have a good time.